We're hungry!
And we're really excited. Yes, we're actually hungry because we have come to one of our favorite restaurants anywhere across India, the Spicy Venue.
So all you have to do is come to Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad or
Road number 10.
Hyderabad. And you pass on road number 10. As you're driving, you will see a beautiful diamond-shaped house on your left. And it's quite tasteful because this is the city of diamonds. And when you pass that diamond house, you will come to a place where there are many people standing outside shouting for deliveries. Many people standing outside waiting for their turn. Many people standing outside smelling the food. And we've already ordered, we already have a table. So come on in, we'll show you more about it now.
The power of teamwork. While Rocky was talking to you, I came here and organized all this food because in the Spicy Venue, they're very quick and they're delicious.
Yes. The special part about Spicy Venue is this. They have been serving you authentic flavors from Telangana and Andhra for the longest time. They have not wavered. They have not tried to change too many things. They have not messed around. They have just maintained fabulous quality for year upon year upon year. And that is why when you come here, you will find so many people waiting to get in and so many people calling out for deliveries. Because this is how a restaurant should be run.
Absolutely. Super quick, super clean, efficient, and the flavors. Every bite here is a flavor bomb. Now, even though in Telangana and Andhra, they love catering to the taste of people who like meat and fish, but even for the vegetarians, especially here in the Spicy Venue, there's awesome stuff. And you can come and taste it all in one thali. So come, before we let Rocky loose on all his meats, let me introduce you to the beautiful vegetable thali. The dal, called the pappu. This is a beetroot igru. This is vendakaya or bhindi fry. This is a gutti vanakaya with the baby brinjal. This is fanaskaya or jackfruit biryani. This one I don't remember the name, but it's basically made with dal. Minimul. A rasam, a sambar, a dahi, white rice, which if you come to this place and you just eat it with this beautiful podi, karam podi, a spicy podi with peanuts and garlic and some ghee and some rice, you will go away a happy man or a happy woman.
Yes, you will. And everything over here is a source of happiness. The chepa vepuru is basically a fried fish with big flavor on it. And it's served with these green chilies and these beautiful fried curry leaves. One bite of this and I promise you, you'll be transported to comfort food heaven. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Incredible. Look at the flavor. It's gone all the way in. Traditional style of making Indian food is unique. And if you follow these recipes, as Spicy Venue has been doing, the age-old recipes, they really have it down to pat. What else is good, Mayur?
Everything is good, but there are 2 or 3 things here that are favorites of mine. One of these is, of course, the karam podi, which I've already spoken about, and then the gorgeous ulavacharu. Look at that, a reduction of horse gram with lots of spices. This is something that's very particular to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. I could just drink it like a cocktail, although you really should have it with different things. Okay, I won't.
Don't drink it, please, because I need it for this. And what is this? This is the piece de resistance. If I'm coming to Hyderabad and I'm having one biryani, I'm coming to Spicy Venue and I'm having the Potlam biryani. There's a beautiful prawn biryani. And in case you're wondering, why does it look like an omelette? That's because inside that egg is a beautiful biryani. And all you have to do is peel away that thin slice of egg. And voila, out comes this beautiful prawn biryani. And all you have to do is dig in with a little bit of ulavacharu, which is just so much more than just reduced horse gram with spices. I mean, I wish I could give you more explanations of what the ulavacharu is, but it is the most delightful flavor of this region for me. And I love to dip my biryani into it and eat it.
And you know, the really fun thing about the food of Telangana and Andhra is that when you order it, you have so much fun because they have such exotic names. Imagine coming to some place and saying, I will have the Kodi Guttu Ulli Igru, which is basically onions and egg. Or you order a Royala Igru. It's almost like anytime you order any of these things, you want to like break into a little laughter like a rat.
Very polite names. Like this. Mami Tikaya, Royalu. And what is that? Delicate prawns. That's what Royalu is over here. The Mami Tikaya is like a thick masala. Oh, heavenly, heavenly flavors. If you're going to have one meal in Hyderabad, and I'm saying this with great responsibility, make sure it's a spicy venue meal and make sure you're very hungry when you come here, because this is just the local taste, it is the current taste, it's an ancient taste, it is everything that you want from a meal. Just completely brilliant.
Beautiful flavors, lots of spice, lots of salt in keeping with the regionalness. But you make sure that when you come, you end it with this gorgeous
But you're ending already.
apricot delight. No, I'm not ending. I'm actually starting, but I like to start with the sweet. I'm just saying I like to end with this, and I like to start with this gorgeous apricot delight, which is based on what? Inspired by what?
By the Khubani Ka Meetha,
Yes.
which is a beautiful dessert from this region, from Hyderabad, made of course of apricots. That is a modified version, but just as good. And this is the Pitta Bamsam. The Pitta, as you can tell, is not a small chicken. It is a big quail. And the quail is fried up in these spices. Brilliant again. Gongura Mamsam, the mutton made with the Gongura leaf. Again, great sourness, great character, great flavor, big taste. The Gongura Mamsam is a favorite of this region. Must try it wherever you come here. And then you have a fried chicken, just a masala fried chicken. Everything that you have over here is going to be brilliant. So just take your time and eat this. We can keep talking about it all the time, but can we please stop talking and start eating, because I'm dying over here.
Yeah, and just in case you think we've been very greedy and ordered a lot of things, we haven't, because just come and take a look at this. On one table mat, look at how many things you can order. Take a look at any of these table mats and you'll see that's the full menu right there. You can actually eat here every day of the year. I wish I could.
Oh. MLA Portlam biryani.